Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks and today we're gonna make some yummy Blueberry Swim Biscuits. I saw this online the other day and I said, yep, I'm making those. So we're gonna start off with our oven at 450 degrees and you're gonna put a half a stick of butter into your casserole dish or baking dish. So I'm gonna stick this in the oven for just a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. Gonna get that pan good and hot and the butter good and hot. Now I'm gonna do 2 cups of self-rising flour. 2 cups self-rising flour. Recipe that I saw did not call for sugar, but I think it needs sugar. So I'm putting 3/4 cups of sugar. If you think that's too much, do a half a cup. But I think it needs to be a little sweet. Now we're gonna put 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Gosh, look how easy that is. The recipe calls for 1 cup of blueberries. So we'll just put a cup of blueberries, maybe a little more. This is a little more than a cup, so there we go. I'll save those others for a snack. That pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right into this hot pan. It said to go ahead and just cut it how you want it, like make these little squares. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I mean, I think we could cut it afterwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and make these little cuts into it. It said to do it right before you put it in the oven. I don't know, I'm just following directions, which I usually don't do. Now, going back into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I've got just a few minutes left in the oven, so I'm gonna make a little bit of a glaze to go over the top. I have about 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar in here, and I'm going to just put a tiny bit. You can use milk, a little bit of warm water, or heavy cream, and I'm gonna use heavy cream. And I mean, we're just gonna do like a splash of that. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of lemon zest. I washed this lemon off, so I'm just gonna kind of zest this right into here. And I'm gonna give this a little squeeze. So let me cut this up. Tiny squeeze. Make sure and not get those seeds in there. There we go. And then just give this a stir and make a glaze. Whoop, whoop. If you get too much, you can just add a little more powdered sugar. And if you get too and if you need more, you know what I mean. Just work with it. So I want to give a shout out to a few people who have been in and I've got to visit with you. Haven't got to visit with everybody, but oh my gosh, you guys are so wonderful and you make me feel so great. You make me feel so important. And like my grandma always said, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. Little Lane, she came back. Little Lane from Nacogdoches, Texas came back, the oldest town in Texas, with her, I think it was their brother and sister-in-law, I'm not sure, but Lane, your husband is ornery. He is so ornery, but I had a great visit with you guys. You were a lot of fun. The Langenfields from Ohio, they said they've been to Branson 5 times and they've been to Local Flavor 4 of the 5 times. And they were so great to visit with. Everybody has just been wonderful. I really enjoy meeting all of you guys. Connie and Beverly from Kentucky. Connie had on this orange and leopard fall outfit. Like it had leopard pumpkins and orange pumpkins and this orange jacket, and she looked so cute. Oh, they were both just dressed to the nines. So cute. I love visiting with you guys. And Ginger from Broken Arrow, my home stomping grounds, Broken Arrow right up the road from where we live in Haskell, Oklahoma. Elaine Fleming from Fairlane, is it Fairlane or Fairfield, Oklahoma? Gosh, I can't remember, but I ran out of gas there one time on my way home. I know it's on the way home on 44, but thank you for coming in, Elaine. And Janie from Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. You were so sweet, and I loved visiting with you. Thank you for bringing your family in. It was so great to meet you guys. Sheila Gardner from Arkansas with her friends from Hawaii. And Gay from Farino, Texas. I told her that LaDonna, my sister, her mother-in-law's name is Gay. Very unique name, but she was so sweet. Vicki Owen from Mount Vernon, Illinois. Thank you for coming. And Karen Turley from Kansas. Lots and lots of great people. I have a whole other list of people that have been coming in like today and the day before. So anyway, I just wanted to give a shout out to all of my people who come in and see me. You guys oh, you make it worth it. I love doing this. Absolutely love, love, love meeting you guys and getting to feed you guys and feed your family and see you guys have a good time at the restaurant, enjoying our music and our people and our servers. We love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your support. All right, now let me go check on them biscuits. Okay, guys, cutting those before you put them in doesn't do a dadgum thing, so don't even do it. Oh, that looks good. Give it a little shizzle drizzle with our glaze we made. I can tell you right now, we're gonna have to make more of this. I'm telling you right now, that is not enough. So, I don't know, it might be. Maybe if I get one of those little, if I get a spatula, one of those little spatulas, it might. Go get that. That will probably be better than a fork. There we go. Oh yeah, that'll be plenty. Nice. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Where we had the pan hot and the butter was hot, it's gonna give you a crispy bottom. Oh my gosh. Crispy bottom, fluffy on the inside, and then golden top with that glaze. I'm gonna be honest, I really think it could use a little more glaze, but that's pretty delicious. You guys want to make this. Blueberry Swim Biscuits. If you don't like them really sweet, don't put any sugar in them, but I'm gonna tell you what, I think they need the sugar. Expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today, and have a fantastic day. We'll see ya.